How to promote Clickbank products on YouTube Shorts. Boys and girls, follow along this tutorial. So first off, we want to log in into our account and we want to decide on a product which we're going to promote essentially. So go to the affiliate marketplace right here, and I'm just going to go top offers. Let's take ProDentum as an example. It does not require verification. So just click on this big promote button right here and write your nickname account. Mine is Nednom. So I'm just gonna click on create hop link, and this is the custom link which you need to refer people by, so it is tracked, and if they make a purchase, you earn the money for it. Now this link, as you can see, does not look really appealing. It is rather long and it can get quite confusing, especially if people wanna type it out letter by letter and number by number in their search bars. So what I suggest doing instead is making this link more clickable. How you can do that is by going to Bitly. Bitly is a URL shortener. So from here, if you register an account, you get the chance to edit or create up to 50 custom URLs. Custom in a way, I'm gonna show you what I mean. So if I click on create new link right here, paste my URL, this is the big URL. I click next, and here you can create a custom back half of the link. So it is going to be bit.ly/ whatever you write. I have an example of this. My link is become lean, and it takes you to a page. As you can see, it already says that it exists, but you can write whatever you feel like. Buy or better teeth now, for example. Okay. Now too. So you can customize a link. Now, after you've created this custom bit.ly shortened link URL, you basically start promoting it on YouTube Shorts. I'm going to show you my channel as an example. Now, I only have 2 videos, right? 2 YouTube Shorts. One went kind of okay-ish. We got 200 views from the Shorts feed. The other got only 3 views, and I think it was because of the general idea, weight loss supplement, right? This does not shove it in your face, you know, it does not scream I'm promoting a product. So what I suggest doing for YouTube Shorts is giving the viewers some value. For example, this video of mine, 5 weight loss facts everyone should know. I'm gonna go through it.
Majority of people feel frustrated.
As you can see, I am giving them valuable information. And the second fact was that using supplements is completely okay, right? So that way you put your link to your supplement or to the product which you're promoting in your YouTube video, but make sure the YouTube video or the YouTube short has value. People will stick more to it, and they're more willing to trust you if your video has value. So just give them some value in the video, then mention your product which you're promoting and leave a link in the description or in the video description, or in the description. So people who click on it will get the chance or will be taken through your commissioner link or your track link. And if they make a purchase, you earn some money. So that is how you promote it. So the biggest thing which I can't stress enough and I can't emphasize enough on is giving the viewer value. That way they're more willing to click on your link. So those are my tips. I hope it was helpful to some extent, to some people at least. Leave a comment, show this video some love or not love. I don't care. Just tell me if it was useful or not. Make sure you like and sub, boys and girls, and I'll see you next time. Take care.